All right, so continuing on with our angle review. So you should have learned what is called the angle addition postulate. And if you're like, what does postulate mean? It basically is like the no-duh rules in math. So when I write this, you're going to say, well, of course, that makes sense. But basically, it is what it says, angle addition. So what we're going to say is if point B is inside angle ADC. So here we have an angle ADC. There's my angle. If point B is inside, and we have a ray connecting those, then angle ADB, so that's this one, angle ADB, plus angle BDC equals angle ADC. So the reason we have to point out that B is on the inside is I can't have this going on, and because what we're saying up here is that small angle plus small angle equals the big angle. Whereas if my B is anywhere but in between rays A and C, then it becomes the bigger angle, and so this is why this does not work. It has to be set up like this. All right, small angle plus small angle will equal the big angle. That's the thing you need to remember. So what was that again? Small plus small equals big. Now, that's if they're what we call these, and then we didn't do this as a vocabulary term, but adjacent angles. So two angles that share the same vertex and a common point in between, or one common ray. So ADB is adjacent to BDC, and they share the ray DB. So if we have those adjacent angles, small plus small equals big. All right, so let's put this into practice. A figure is shown with some angle measures given. The measure of angle PTS, so PTS, that's this big angle, is 96 degrees. What is the measure of QTR? So we want to know this one. So we're going to call that X. So we know that the measure of angle PTQ, that's this one right here, plus the measure of angle RTS, plus the measure of angle QTR is going to equal the measure of angle PTS. All right. So now I'm just going to fill in for what I know. This is what the theorem states, that this angle plus this angle plus this angle is going to be the same as the big angle. So PTQ is 28 degrees plus RTS is 49 degrees. So 28 plus 49. I don't know QTR, so I'm going to call that X. And that equals PTS, which is 96 degrees. And so from here, it's just solving. So we're going to take 28 plus 49, which is 77. So I have 77 plus X equals 96. We're going to subtract 77 from both sides. So X equals 19, which means that the measure of angle QTR equals 19 degrees. So all it was adding and subtracting. The other way you could have done it is just that, okay, I know the total is 96. I subtract 49, I subtract 28, 19 degrees is left. I'm showing you setting it up this way in case you come across a problem that is not just 28 and 49, but maybe X plus 49. And so you have multiple unknowns within there. Okay. That's our next video. So that is angle addition. Next video, we're going to talk about complementary and supplementary. I'll see you there.